So, what are we doing today then, Reese?
We're just a bit of fun really, but a bit of a competition who can change the tyres the fastest.
This one. Oh, he's up! Oh my god. No way! You feeling alright?
I'm absolutely bollocks.
Oh, he's tired. Reese, what are we doing?
We're just basically setting up everything for Isde now, making sure we got everything before we leave, like a couple of weeks time, and just sorting out the layout of like the tents and everything. So,
What do you reckon, Charles? Yeah, it's gonna be all coming together very soon. So yeah, it's not long now until we actually go. So thanks to the grown ups. Yeah. So yeah, front and back tyre. No assistance, only to change the tyre changer. Because like obviously with the Ravicon, I'll have to go from 18 to 21, and you'll have to do your little thing. So yeah, so I think it could be tight between times.
Who's gonna win? That's the.
don't look at me.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to be a bit of a fun little challenge, but I think it'd be quite good.
You're off to a quick start. Back in the bike, push it together. How many do? The whole thing. What? No!
There we go.
How was that, Reach? Talk to us.
Well, my best one so far probably. The time's alright. I'll take it. It's under 15 minutes.
Ready? Ready when you are then.
You ready with the stop?
You ready? Okay.
Yeah. Go. first of all, we had Reece Jones. He was like 11:20/11:40 because he forgot the front tyre clamp. However, we're non-avoiding that because Charlie doesn't have a front tyre clamp. However, the time I've got here on the screen is 7:06.69, and that was
Charlie.
And then second on the screen, we've got 7:24.86, which is myself. So Charlie's a winner. Come on, Charlie! Yes, let's go! Got a bit more
40 quid off Reece.
Yeah. I thought that was good though. That was a good challenge. Yes. That was very good. Next up from us, not sure what you're going to see, but stay tuned. It's the Haffron Dirt Bike Club. Me, Reece and Charlie. We'll see you at 6 days if we don't see you before. Thanks for watching.
See you later.